Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that sweet token. Now before we start the video, let's hear my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, sweet is the native cryptocurrency of sweet economy, a Web3 ecosystem designed to incentivize and reward physical activity, turning movement into tangible value. It is a move to earn token that users earn by walking, converting steps into a terrible crypto assets. The token powers a multi-chain ecosystem, primarily built on Near protocol and functions as a universal gas token for transactions. Its tokenomics include regular burns and buybacks, aiming to create a sustainable economy around wellness. Sweet project institution rating is 4.4. Sweet token total supply is 19.79 billion and circulating supply is around 8.4 billion Sweet token. Sweet token is listed on Bybit, MEXC, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.